Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel, FB8 Services. I'm Furkan Ahmed, and today we're discussing about Apple Macintosh OS. Here's a comprehensive outline for a macOS course. Introduction to macOS history and evolution of macOS, formerly OS X. Overview of macOS features and capabilities. Understanding the macOS user interface, Finder, Dock, menu bar, etc. Navigating the macOS file system. Getting started with macOS. Setting up a macOS system. Installation, Setup Assistant, user accounts and permissions. Accessibility features in macOS system preferences and customization options. macOS applications overview of built-in macOS applications, Safari, Mail, Calendar, etc. Introduction to the Mac App Store and third-party applications. Managing and organizing applications on macOS. File management in macOS. Working with files and folders in Finder. Understanding file metadata and attributes. Spotlight search and file organization techniques. Introduction to Time Machine for backup and restore. System maintenance and troubleshooting. Managing software updates and macOS upgrades. Using Disk Utility for disk management and troubleshooting. Troubleshooting common macOS issues, startup problems, application crashes, etc. Understanding macOS recovery options, macOS security. Overview of macOS security features, Gatekeeper, File Vault, Firewall, etc. Understanding macOS permissions and privacy settings. Best practices for securing a macOS system. Introduction to antivirus and anti-malware software for macOS. Networking and internet connectivity. Configuring network settings, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, VPN, etc. Using macOS networking tools, network utility, terminal commands. Sharing files and printers over a network. Troubleshooting network connectivity issues. Multitasking and productivity. Using Mission Control for multitasking and window management. Introduction to Spaces for virtual desktops. Creating and managing documents with Pages, Numbers, and Keynote using Siri for productivity tasks. macOS collaboration tools, using Messages and FaceTime for communication. Collaborating on documents with iCloud Drive and iCloud sharing. Managing and syncing calendars, contacts, and reminders with iCloud. Introduction to continuity features, handoff, universal clipboard, etc. Module 10, macOS integration with iOS devices. Syncing data between macOS and iOS devices, using macOS for iOS management, iTunes, Finder, etc.